Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day because we have some crossbody bags by the company Allett. And we also have a micro pin. So I have two different sizes in front of you. They also have wallets as well. Now, I did already take a sneak peek last night at this one and it's sweet. I just put it back in the plastic, but they are super cool. And I'm gonna show you a couple different sizes for your daily wear, travel, drone bag, you name it. So let's get these out. All right, first up is gonna be the Daily Crossbody. This is in the lunar ash color, and it's a stunning looking smaller cross bag. Again, full dimensions, as well as where you can pick these up yourself. Top link in the description box below will be the exact same link over to Allett's website where you can read more about the bags and pick them up yourself. Now they come in more colors, but I chose the lunar ash for a smaller one, and this would be a good size for myself for, again, the daily use. This again is the Daily Crossbody. So right here in front of us, we'll show you some features really quickly and then we're gonna load it up. We're gonna test this thing. But right here on the front, so this obviously is the front of it, you have a little Allett logo right up on top and then cool little drawstrings as well. So you have a zipper area here, and this zippered area, the light's not gonna do it justice, but it's nice and deep and it's super soft in here. So that would be for like your cell phone, prescription glasses, something where you need to like not scratch the camera lens, etc. That is on the front portion of it right here. Moving up to the open area here, which I already have opened up, but let's just show you that. You have two zippers over here on this side. Obviously, only one to open it up. And as you open it up, you have a little clip right here for your keys. You have three interior pockets right here for cell phone use as well. You have three interior pockets right here, one over here, one in the middle, and then one over here as well. And those just slip down, as we can see right there, to the very bottom of the bag. And then of course your whole intersection right here, and then a divider over here, which is nice and deep, and then coming to the back zipper right here, which that again is super nice and deep as well. So on the interior portion, you have this whole inner area, zippered area here, divider over here, with your little slip areas 1, 2, and 3, with your key hanger area right here. That zips back up just like that there. Coming around to the back of it, you have a cool design here. Nice little X stitching on there with a beautiful strap for, of course, across the body. Let's ditch these tags. And this is their 4-liter bag. And that front pocket can also be used for your sunglasses or prescription glasses as well. Now it is made of 100% recycled nylon material, and it is PFAS free DWR. And let's go ahead and open up the micro pin. There is the micro pin slot right here. So that just slips right on in there and clips right there. So you always have a pin on you right there with your micro pin. And that is really nice and small as well, and you twist it to have access to that pin right there. Loving the colors of the Luna Ash so far, first impressions. I will be taking this to church tomorrow. But now let's look at the Blue Haze Daily Sling Bag. And Blue Haze is the color, and this is the Daily Sling Bag. Little Allett logo right here. And this is gonna be slightly different. This is gonna have more room in it if you need more room for longer travel. Again, I wanted this particular one for my drone bag, even though my foldable DJI drone could probably fit in here as well. But this will give you a good size comparison, kind of overshadows it just a little bit, but in person, the blue one is definitely a little bit larger because this is 7-liter bag where this one was a 4-liter bag. All right, just looking at the back, it's going to be same right there, same strap, but that's going to be kind of a more, I almost want to say it looks like more brown, dark gray, but maybe on the more brownish side, maybe on the gray side as the light's kind of coming in the window a little bit. Like dark gray with a hint of brown maybe. Might be my eyes deceiving me. Beautiful blue color. So starting here on the front, you have right here a nice deep pocket right here for your sunglasses, glasses, cell phone right here. That's great, especially if you're traveling, at the store, garage sailing, you just want to reach in, grab something real quick. Coming to the top of it here, you have zippers, of course, 2 zippers on that side right there. Opening that on up, let's get rid of that plastic there. You have a nice big area here on the interior portion, 2 big slots right here. You have 3 slots, 1 big one on the left, a smaller one right here, and a smaller one over here. You have a divider in the back, very nice and large. Flipping it around this direction, you have your keychain hook and then another pocket right here and then a big pocket right here, cell phone or whatever right through here. But this is what I wanted this bag for: drone, batteries, controller, all right here. Zipping that up and then coming to the back of it where your strap is, then you have another large pocket area here. So again, 7-liter bag and a 4-liter bag right here. All right, we're gonna use them, we're gonna load them up. Alrighty folks, so it is a cozy winter day and I'm all bundled up, so forgive the hair, but it's a summertime, rainy day outside. Now, I've really enjoyed this, especially for just shopping. I go to Costco, I do all my errands like this, and I like to either have it on the back, just to be honest with you. Typically, I just kind of have it like this. So this is what it looks like. I am 5'8", 155 pounds. So just kind of giving you a little look here. So I'm in Costco and sometimes I just don't want to have, I use my wallet, cell phone, biohacker in me. I do not like to have my cell phone in my front pocket. And it's just, what I love is this right here. So if I was in a foreign country or somewhere garage sailing, let's say, and I just wanted everything like right in front of me right here, sure. This is a great look to it right here. Adjustable strap. But what I like about this is I'm in Costco like this, and I'm like, okay, what was that shopping list again? Front pouch, of course, it is nice and felt in there, nice and soft. Cell phone in there. And then in the big pocket, I go to pay at Costco. I whip out my wallet. I pay, use my Costco card, put it back in here. I got access to my PIN right here. Car keys right here. Everything is on me. Flip it back. I just push my shopping cart like this. This is what literally I've done the last 3 weeks. Going to Costco probably too many times, and I need to. Sprouts grocery store as well. Take this into church if you want. I just like how everything is conveniently in this. The daily crossbag to me is probably the one that you want to go for if you don't have too much stuff. So this is the one I've been using, 4-liter, and the 7-liter is going to be for my drone. So let's load this drone up, show you what that can handle. And by the way, I love the color of this one here. Alrighty, so I got my DJI foldable drone, controller, charger, extra battery, easily fits in the center pouch, divider. We got my controller. You could stack it on top if you really wanted to, and extra battery, and zipping that on up right there. That, my friends, is a great drone pouch, especially for hiking. So let's go ahead and take a look at that around the back there. As you can see, that is a little bit larger, obviously 4-liter to 7-liter. Putting that across the front body right here. So obviously if you were in a crowded subway, you were going to film things, again, controller, foldable DJI drone, everything fits in here. I'm just giving you options here. This again is probably what I'm going to be using it for the most, unless I'm doing some sort of like long duration day trip where I just need more bag. But in all honesty, the 4-liter is going to be my go-to just for my wallet, cell phone, exactly what I just showed you. More compact, more smaller. I can flip it around easily just like this. Overall, I've really enjoyed the bag. I haven't really done too much besides errands and shopping with it, but I am excited that my drone has a better looking bag than I had before. Out of the colors, I do like the Lunar Ash the best, and I like the size of it as well. So once again, top link in the description box below the video are going to be these exact same crossbody bags. 4-liter once again, 7-liter right here like we've already talked about. That again is going to be top link in the description box below. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything I do make a video about. But if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, please go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out, helps the channel. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, tech reviews, DIY house projects, and more. My name is Chris. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye.